Hey guys, welcome back to Nessa's World.
Hold up, wait a minute, something ain't right.
Nope, it's not Nessa's World anymore. You know that I've been planning to change my name, and this video is geared towards you knowing what my name is, why I changed my name, struggles that I went through to change my name, the meaning of this new name, and a bag of things. I was so stressed out trying to find a name, and it was killing me softly because I wanted to release video, I wanted to release content, and because I couldn't find the name, I don't know, I didn't have any vibes anymore for YouTube. I didn't want to create any content because I just couldn't find a name. Now that I found a name, yes, I want to release some content, but before I do that, I just want to come to you now to tell you everything so that you guys are not lost to this, because imagine you know me as this and now I am this. What is the change? So this is just a brief introduction to my new name, the new everything that's coming on after this. As you all know, you know me as Nessa's World, and we have grown as a family. You guys know me as Nessa's World, but I just had to change my name, and for many reasons. For one, I just wanted my own name. I wanted to be the one and only person out there with that name. I wanted for business wise and all those stuff. Now, if I have Nessa's World, I cannot really use it for business. I may cause problem if somebody else using it for business, and we just can't deal with that. Plus, it's not unique. And there's a lot of person that name Venessa, Vanessa, Nesh, whatever, and a lot of YouTubers using world at the end of their thing, and I just find it so cliche. And even before the amount of Nessa's World came about, when I just started, there was about 5 Nessa's World. Now if you go into Google search, you can find maybe 20 Nessa's World. If I go on the road and I give someone my name and say, go subscribe to my channel, and they ask me for the name, I'm going to tell them Nessa's World. When they go into YouTube and search Nessa's World, they're going to be confused unless they're going to open each and every one of those videos or profile or whatever to see exactly which one they want to subscribe. And that's a lot of stress on my subscribers, and I don't want to put them through that. So I decided to just change our name for that reason. I never really want to stray far from Nessa, right? Because everybody knows me as Nessa. I wanted to be meaningful, and I also wanted to have a little vibes to it, and I just wanted to represent me, if you understand. When I was going through the process of changing my name, I came across so many names, and when I go into Google and search, I see the same name, and even if I make up the name, I see the name on YouTube. I am like, no man, I can't believe it. Like, I can't believe that person actually think alike. And even with my name, I tried to flip it, I tried to do all kind of soft stuff with it, and then I realized that it's actually a name, and it was so crazy. I just want to give thanks to my friend that helped me, Chrissy. She helped with the process, and with the logo, thank you Dwayne for doing that. With the banner, thank you Anthony for doing the banner. It was awesome. I just love you guys for all the support that you've been giving me, for all those that were waiting for a video. I did not get a video because I didn't have a name, for those who kept encouraging me, for those who come on my live and all those stuff, for those who just stuck by Nessa. Thank you guys. I just want to tell you the name, and the name that I choose. Are you ready for this? Are you ready for this? Are you ready for this? Alright, so let me tell you some names that I chose. Alright, so the first name I chose, I really don't remember, but I chose a name and it was La-Nessa. And the reason why I choose La-Nessa is because my middle name is Latoya, and my first name is Vanessa, and I was like, La-Nessa about a little buzz to it, you know. Then I went into YouTube. When I look into YouTube, the amount of La-Nessa came up. I never know that that was actually a name, and I actually said it in one of my videos, right? But I really felt the name, and I really wanted to use it. No, I Google searched the meaning of La-Nessa, and it means God is gracious, and I'm like, wow, that is so good. The fact that it means God is gracious and all those stuff, like whenever you're giving your child a name, always try to look for the meaning so that good things can follow that child. And I was like, that's like the perfect name. And the fact that I saw that a lot of person use it, I was so sad. Like for 2 weeks I didn't want to hear anything. I didn't want to talk up to anybody. We just never want to think about YouTube, no name, no nothing. Like I just felt so bad. And then I went again, you know, thought about it and all those stuff, and I was like, all right, let me see if I can use my complete name. And I tried to put my last name in it, and that didn't work out. But then I put the last part of my first name and the first part of my first name and the middle part in the middle and put it together. And I was like, that I was, yeah, V-La-Nessa, you know? And I was like, yeah, because my name is Venessa, right? And it would be just taking the V and the Nessa and putting the La in between, and it would be my first and middle name, and it would be unique, it would be me still, and it's our buzz to it. I was like, V-La-Nessa, V-La-Nessa, and I was like, and it kind of have a little French or Spanish, is it? You know, feel to it, like V-La-Nessa, and it just have like a sexy vibes to it. And I was like, yeah, I like that. So I'm still working with the La-Nessa, but I put V-La-Nessa on it, so it still means God is gracious. And when you Google Vanessa, I think it named beautiful butterfly, and God is gracious to beautiful butterfly. That's the meaning of this page. And when you think about butterfly, you know that first you have to go into a cocoon to blossom into that butterfly. And I feel that's where Nessa is going. Right now, I am at my caterpillar stage, going into the cocoon to blossom soon. So you guys just stay tuned and look out to what God is about to do in my life. And yeah, all those stuff. I just want you guys to just come on this new journey. You know, I am still Nessa. You can still call me Nessa. We just adopt the world, even though we are taking it to the world anyway. Yeah. But your girl is now V-La-Nessa. I had to do over back my intro. I had to do my logo. I had to do a banner over. It was a lot of work. And I just want to give thanks to everyone that helped me and pushed me, called me and say, yo, don't watch what people do, you do what you have to do. But you see, because I had a bigger picture, they have big picture now, but I had a greater picture. I just wanted to be the one, you know, the one and only. I am happy for the new move, and I am looking forward to more content, talking to you, vibing with you, and bugger things, yeah. And after this video, I'm going to drop a vlog. That vlog is going to consist of things that happened in, there is some, because you know that I normally vlog, so things that I had a vlog to put together, but the vlog never worked out, so I just put stuff together so that you guys can see, you know, look at stuff that's been happening. It's not a lot, so I'm going to drop that. And it also spoke to this, so I did that video before I did that, and today I did a hair update, because right now it's turned up, but I did a hair update, and when I finished I realized that the microphone was not turned on. This is the second time that's happened to me, but it's a learning process. So I've been doing some part-time job. One finished last week and another one start next week. So if you don't see me a lot, even though I don't think that's gonna stop anything, because yeah, I'm gonna come to you guys more often now that the stress is off. Thank you for listening to my complaint. Thank you for watching. Thank you for continuous support and everything. And I just love you. I love you from the bottom of my heart, yeah, down to the sole of my foot, back to my head up. Yes, I love you guys. Thank you for watching V-La-Nessa. And guys, if you want to have a little ring to it or little jingles to it, just hit me up. I really want a jingle. That's what I'm working on now. So it's a learning process and it's a growth process. So I'm not going to just drop everything one time. I just have the intro, the border, and the logo. And as time go on, I will update my channel more. But thank you guys and see you later. Bye.